one. I'm out.
Oscar Mike.
Launching frag!
Front, marksman, long range. Push forward. Sniper, neutralized.
Marksman down!
We have a visual!
We've cleared the AO and back. Now we can take down our last target.
There's clear. Let's give him the signal. Gecko, pop smoke!
That was too fucking close!
I don't know what's more impressive. You, firepower.
Good work, Marine. Airspace is clear. You just got us a foothold in this fight. Lopez and Murphy are on the USS Macon off the coast of Gibraltar. Hemlock, a specialized skills officer, will be contacting them now.
Peñón de Gibraltar. You all set, Murph?
Stagger 1-3, this is Hemlock. I'm your 3-letter specialized skills officer. Be advised, Carter and Espina are heading down towards Old Town. Once you join them, all last of the PAX TOC. Intelligence reports a PAX commander at the target.
Roger that.
And you'll be part of the beach landing. The Macon's under attack! Disembark now!
Marines, get in! We need to get clear of the ship now! I got the turret! through beachhead!
On the beach! Contact front. Engaging. First wave of troops deployed. Advancing. Push through their defenses. Bravo 4, hit! Repeat, Bravo 4 is hit! They're using tone. Incoming! We're hit!
Shit! Stone! Lopez! Eyes front!
Perfect! Multiple targets ahead! Mark! They've got AT in those bunkers! Clear them out!
Working on it!
Enemy 12 o'clock! Engaging! We got multiple hostiles incoming! Put down suppressive fire! Take out those launchers!
These fuckers ain't giving up easy!
They're falling back! Advancing! Perfect war! Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2, inbound north. Time on target 1 mic. Payload release in 30 seconds. Over. Contact front! This position is heavily fortified. Put suppressive fire on it now! Ceasefire! Friendlies in the AO! Jesus! Cap cutting it close! We got friendlies pushing through! Covering fire! Contact 12 o'clock! Taking fire! We got friendlies under fire! Look! They're getting chewed up! We got an RPG on our right!
Fuck! They're pinned down! Stone! Hold us here!
Coming in from our flank! We're taking damage! We're hit! Get it off us!
Look! We got casualties!
Multiple hostiles, 3 o'clock! I'm going out there! Dropping ram! Moving to the wounded! Cover me! Mark, I need a clear lane to load up the wounded on the M-track! I'll cover you! Multiple hostiles incoming! I can't get him to the track! Take out those tangos!
We got friendly armor pushing in low! Now's your chance!
Stone, I can't move him far! Head towards me! Get in the M-track! All hostiles down, we're clear! We're in! Go, go, go! We need to get these students to the CCP!
Negative! Patch them up best you can, Lope! Stone! Take them on to CCP after we've linked up with the rest of Dagger!
Copy! I got you! Let me work on that! We need to stop the bleeding!
Murphy! We need some help down here! You! Turret!
I need to patch him up. Keep pressure on this wound.
I got you. What unit you with?
They just lit us up. We were the first wave. They just tore right through us. It was a shooting gallery.
Rest of your unit get off?
I'm the only one who made it. It's just me.
Just breathe. You'll need your strength when it hits you. Trust me.
Coming up to the link-up point! Gear up! Look hot!
Stone! What do you got?
Dismount! Hey, keep pressure on this wound.
Go! I'll get him to the CCP!
Clear ramp! Clear ramp! Elevated target eliminated!
Use explosives! Take the tools off the board!
I got you! Thanks! Sending frag! Need a reload!
Grenade! Get down! Tango in the open!
Taking casualties! They're in the open! Enemy frag out! Could use this. Toes down!
Charlie 5, toes are down. You're clear to move in. Good copy, Dagger 1-3. Advancing. Contact 12 o'clock! Pax reinforcements! Charlie 5 engaging.
Crossing frag!
Opening fire. Charlie 5 on the move. Moving. We're clear. Hemlock. We've linked up with Murphy and Lopez.
Copy. Provide an escort for Charlie 5. Approach the TOC with extreme vigilance. Intel suggests it's heavily defended.
You heard the man. RZ on Charlie 5. Keep it active while we advance on the TOC. Move.
Make contact once you secure the objective. Hemlock out. Crimson Team, this is Mark. We're in possession, over. All units, report status, over. Crimson Team, stand off. Hostile activity detected. Stay alert.
Objective is to escort Charlie 5 to the TOC. Once we've found our Overwatch, we move on the compound and secure that PAX commander.
Good to have your support, Dagger. Packs are dug in around here, using the buildings for cover. Perfect for an ambush.
Roger that. Raiders, scan high and low. Cover your sectors. Contact!
Go! Contact! Gotta get behind cover! Striking hit!
Keep going! Don't let up!
Final push! Clear!
Keep that armor!
Copy! This could be useful.
Contact front!
RPG!
Take cover!
Check the windows!
Taking damage.
Murphy, prepare Charlie 5!
ahead.
Contact!
The building up ahead!
Windows!
Nice work, Murph.
Launcher! On the rooftop!
Hostile engineer eliminated.
Weapon track! Reloading!
Taking damage.
We've got them! Don't let up!
The route's blocked. Down the stairs, through the alleyway. Push through. Copy. We're taking heavy fire! Dagger, protect Charlie 5.
We're clear!
You can advance, Charlie 5.
Negative, Dagger 1-3. We cannot advance until all hostiles in the immediate area are down.
Roger. Dagger, clear the streets.
Weapon free!
Got some rounds for you.
Murphy, over here. Raiders, all hostiles eliminated. Link up back at Charlie 5. Objectives this way, Marine. Friendly's ahead! Second, Lancer, where's McIntyre? He's advancing on the enemy position! Fuck! Armor! Get to cover, Marines! Fight the enemy! Use the building! Charlie 5, hold position. Holding.
Enemy armor is out of the fight!
Clear! Charlie 5, all enemies eliminated. Advance.
Moving, Dagger 1-3.
USC's overhead.
Charlie 5, hold. The road's blocked.
Roger, Dagger 1-3. Holding back and we'll wait for your order.
Guys, we got stairs here.
Marines, with me. Move up.
With you. Moving up.
Stay alert. Scan the windows and rooftops. Cover your sectors.
Scanning high.
I got low. We need to find that overwatch position.
There's no route through. Found an opening.
Citizens should immediately gather essential items.
Imagine leaving everything behind, just like that.
You think they made it out? Dagger, through here.
I got rear.
Boss, 12 o'clock. Isn't that...
McIntyre.
How the fuck they get him? And where's the rest of Lancer?
No fucking way.
What are we looking at?
There. Between those pillars.
Got him.
I got the shot. Just say the word.
Negative. The amount of firepower down there, they'd carve us up. We need backup. Charlie 5, this is Dagger 1-3. Over.
Charlie 5, send it.
Confirmed. Hostiles at target location.
Copy that, Dagger. Flanking from the east. Give the order and we'll push through.
Copy Charlie 5. Friendlies in the area. Wait for my call.
Roger that.
Murphy, tell me there's a way down.
Square's covered.
Looks like weapons and ammo.
Weapons cache. Pax is covering.
Copy.
Any way to make it to McIntyre?
We got options. Fuck ton of packs to push through. God damn it.
Talk to me.
McIntyre's gone. No mercy.
All right, listen up, Raiders. Securing this fob is our top priority. Let's not make it personal. Let's move fast. Let's move decisive. Take clear shots. Check your ammo. Dagger on my 6.
Roger that.
Let's go. Charlie 5, you are cleared to move in.
Roger that, Dagger 1-3. Coming in from your 3 o'clock.
Enemy armor!
Maintaining defensive position.
We need to clear the way for Charlie 5.
Marines, we're clear to engage.
Advancing.
Need a medic! Need a medic!
Marines.
Appreciate it.
Long range! Low position! RPG incoming!
eliminated!
Advance into the TOC.
Cover me for you!
Murphy, we gotta move. Get inside the TOC.
Need to reload! Cover me!
Charlie 5, you are cleared to move in. Roger that, Dagger 1-3. Coming in from your 3 o'clock. Enemy order, south of the square! Maintaining defensive position. We need to clear the way for Charlie 5. Advancing.
Tossing frag!
Weapons free! Enemy down!
EKIA.
Cut! 1 o'clock! RPG! Long range! Go!
Take out the tow on the roof!
Engineer! KIA!
Roof's clear! Charlie 5 is clear! Moving on the objective.
Engineer! KIA!
Murphy, we gotta move. Get inside the DOC.
Target behind cover! Grenade!
Toss the frag!
Contact! Contact high! Murph, on point! Push up the stairs! Let's find that command room.
Turret destroyed!
Got one.
Sending frag!
Enemy using cover!
Frag out! Elevated target eliminated! Tango above down!
Anyone got eyes on the command room?
Looks like the room opposite.
Push across, Marines. That asshole might still be here.
On your right! Shotgun!
Shotgun!
KIA.
Clear.
Clear. Room's clear. Conduct SSE. Fucker's gone!
Has. Looks like our ride is here.
The world as it's commonly known has crumbled. Alliances that held since the end of World War II? Gone. All the traditional assumptions about who's on whose side? Gone. But you know, every crisis is an opportunity. Like the man said, chaos is a ladder.
Gotta wonder how Kincaid evaded all detection. His forces bypassed early warning systems, weren't revealed on ISR. How'd he do that?
Maybe they're pros. Maybe the same way you got inside my house.
They came in like ghosts and executed hundreds of decorated Brits. Hard bastards.
They got rolled. Even worse than I did. Georgia was a Pearl Harbor attack. Gibraltar was worse.
They had new tech, and you didn't tell us.
I did not withhold intel about PAX tech.
None of the countries supporting PAX make shit that could mask that kind of entrance.
But we do, though. Don't we?
Were you here on orders? I wasn't able to make contact with you. Whose assignment is this?
What happened to trust me like I trust you? You know, like in Cairo. You don't trust us? That hurts, Mills.
Of course I trust you. That's why I sent you to Cairo. I knew you could handle little things like an impending civil war.
And the Egyptian president cutting a deal with PAX to help the army. And Faik Salim selling intel to PAX.
I wasn't sure about Salim. That's why I needed you for confirmation.
Well, you guessed Georgia was a heist. PAX was there to steal something from us.
Yes. I had to find out if they were willing to use it against us. We had one good unit on the ground. Special Missions Unit 777 under Ibrahim Al-Khatib.
First time in Cairo?
Been here plenty. Never seen it like this.
He's warned you, right?
Big Cairo's on the verge of burning.
Has been ever since PAX became Egypt's ally.
Won't be long before this place goes up.
My people have had PAX's boots on their throat long enough.
What happened to the army?
PAX came in to support us. Now, they're the ones calling the shots. Mar.
I can see why people are pissed.
It's a tinderbox. All you need is a spark. You Marsak dudes aren't a spark, are you?
Not our style. We ain't here to make things worse. We got our mission, getting Salim and the intel. In, out, clean.
I admire your confidence.
So the Salim guy's a pretty big deal around here, huh?
He blows smoke up his own ass. Ever since his company became the #1 supplier of biomedics around the globe. We haven't heard the end of it.
It looks like PAX ain't too happy about him either.
You make a deal with the devil.
And now he's our problem.
Explains why Mills put us together.
Salim was in contact a couple weeks back. He knew PAX were closing in, so we brokered some kind of deal.
Of course he did. Everything is transactional with men like that.
Keep a low profile, Dagger.
Guys?
Not our mission, Lopez. Our mission is big picture. Copy that? We get that intel, dominoes start to fall. But for now, it's all we can do. New route?
Plan B, Habibi.
Great.
Straight to the shitty part of the plan.
Why can we never do plan A?
Shooters, dismount.
I'll have eyes on you once the drone is up.
Thanks for the ride, friend.
See you at the evac. Try not to get in any trouble, yes?
You heard the man, no trouble. We infill through the sewer entrance just ahead. Let's move. Hemlock, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger 1-3.
We're commencing infill now. We'll report once we reach the target location, over.
Understood.
Dagger, NVG's on. Murph, alive. On me.
All this disorder. We sure the asset's gonna be in one piece when we get there?
12-foot palace walls are a pretty good deterrent. Backs above, hold your fire.
Salim's playing a dangerous game.
All the public knows that his company's at the cutting edge. The serious business happens in private, financing PACs, propping up puppet regimes, troop smuggling, you name it.
A real charmer.
Has. About Kincaid. What's the deal? You look like you'd seen a ghost.
You heard of Farouk al-Bashir? Henry Blackburn?
Yeah. There's a whole module on it at the Academy.
Yeah, well... I was part of that operation. JSOC. The plausible deniability kind. Border of Iran and Syria. Clear.
The JSOC mission. What went down?
It was an SAS and Delta joint op. Gathering intel on Iranian chemical weapons. Except there was a comm snafu. We got cornered by an IRG battalion and shit went down like you wouldn't believe.
Losses?
Too many. US blamed the UK and vice versa. It was a whole diplomatic clusterfuck.
And Kincaid?
Troop commander of the SAS unit. Dependable. The kind of guy you'd want by your side. He'd seen it all. Iraq, Afghanistan, Bosnia, Northern Ireland.
But?
Listen, Kincaid went back for his troops and he didn't return. I made the call. Contact above.
That's shit show in Gibraltar. Now we're losing control of Cairo. Makes me nervous.
We can handle a few protests. Look at that rifle in your hand. Your pack's fucking Amata.
It's not the civilians I'm worried about. The generals might have rolled over, but the rest?
Shh. Ahead.
You see anyone outside there with guns? The army won't do shit. Get your head in the game.
Yes. Maybe. All right, let's move.
Clear.
Al-Khatib, we're through the sewers. Is your drone up?
Iowa, drone airborne. Confirming visual on you now.
Copy that.
Clear to move.
Dagger, advance.
Your feet. Hold your fire.
Patrol incoming. On your right.
Get down. Stay low. Hold your fire. We don't want to start a firefight on the streets. We're good. Move.
So you left Kincaid behind?
He knew the risks, and I had my own team to save. I waited, but...
Look, sometimes there are no good options. You get that. Right, Murph?
Yeah. I get it.
عالم مجنون. القاهرة مولعة والمزيكا مستنيني أبيع له. عبطة.
Stay low. Pax patrol ahead. Take the next right. One of them is isolated.
They're to engage.
More Pax around the corner.
Take them out. Quietly.
Fuck, they are still.
Stay alert. More nearby.
Four hostiles blocking your path.
Any way around?
Not this time, my friend.
Dagger. On my mark.
Where the fuck is he? We've got to resume our patrol. This city's a maze.
Now!
You know what he's like when it comes to smokes. Like a dog chasing cars.
Where the fuck
Take
is
the
it?
shot.
Protests are moved to El Ramaya Square. Nicely done, cowboys. Clear ahead. Take the left and then turn right.
Cross the road, fast. Do not engage.
Al-Khatib, we've got a visual on the palace.
Copy that. Scouting now.
Packs are swarming all over this place.
Maybe agency surveillance ain't up to scratch.
It's not the first time they've slipped sack cover. Hold your fire!
The wall.
Alka team, we're going over the wall. You see an entry point?
I see an easy climb. Out of sight. Mark on their attack.
Roger, moving.
Carter, I can't risk getting any closer. Pulling the drone away.
Appreciate the escort, Alka team. All right, it's just us now. Let's hustle. Careful. Weapons ready. Take him out. Headlock, copy.
Reading you, Carter. Status report.
Asset potentially compromised. Packs are in the AO.
What's your assessment?
We infill over the compound walls, cut the power, and secure the asset.
Carter, this is Mills. The asset situation is volatile.
How can you be sure, Mills?
You have to trust me like I trust you. Priority is securing the intel. Is that understood?
Roger that.
Packs in the courtyard. What's the play?
We go quiet. Let's head for the breaker. On me. Stay low. Use the shadows. Down here. Low, Gecko, cover the entrance. Murph, let's dim the lights.
Copy.
Copy that.
Murph, you're up.
On it. Cutting power in 3, 2...
Weapons free, Dagger. Let's go secure the asset.
Not long before the backup kicks in.
You heard the man. No time to lose. Sweep the building hard and fast.
Shock and fucking awe.
Stay with me.
Thanks!
Enemy eliminated.
Swapping out kit.
This place is gonna go up into flames!
Along with our asset if we don't push on. This floor is clear. Sweep upstairs. Move! Assets not on this floor. Upstairs. Move.
Floor is clear. We need to sweep upstairs.
Got a grenade here!
Start checking rooms. He's gotta be here somewhere.
This room.
Front door.
Ready.
Room clear. Anything?
Nada.
We need to move. Noise came from the end of the corridor. Move! Nothing changes. Push on. Room at the end of the corridor. Let's go.
Murph, check the door.
Deadbolt.
Clear right.
Clear.
Clear left!
Clear. Let's get to work.
Oh, jeez.
Is it our guy?
Yeah. Damn it. It's Salim.
Talk to me, Lopez.
Dude's a mess. I think the gunshot must have hit her artery.
Is he gonna make it?
Guys, we got 4 dead bodies already. We're gonna have 4 more if we don't pick up the pace.
There's nothing I can do for him.
We need that intel. Salim. Mills sent us more friendlies.
Mills. She promised me.
I'm sorry, we need that intel.
I trusted her.
The intel, Salim.
Okay, buddy, you are not okay.
What's a holdup, boys?
Salim. Salim.
This day could not get any worse if it tried.
It's the thumb.
What?
He's a tech guru.
Check it.
We're gonna have company real soon!
Yeah. I think we got something.
RFID implant.
Holy smoke.
We need it.
Has.
Murphy, the thumb.
Whatever you're doing, do it fast!
Join the Marines, they said. You'll see the world, they said.
Here we go! Game time, boys!
Sorry, Salim.
Gotta haul ass. Head to the exfil.